Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Amuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so nsembi koso asemwe naturally nanka menkasa emfa ho but Ghana ase yedin ababeshem your personalities be public figures be ababeshem intino awasa mekasa fa anse na beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no and no another screen so sisi we na sa latest news be aba wonsa ebeka yan konsem ne so straight now for all those who don't know a krona your friend Mali or minor friend Mali is part of a year ECOWAS economic community of West African states economic community of West African states ECOWAS na enano we be breaking news stream say sisia no ECOWAS nia the leader Ghana yemampenyi yes wo hwa Ghana yemampenyi ni na no esan say Ghana yomanya de bia yebu ye ntino yemampenyi ni a wo mo abetena so mia I think say wo mo ni na they've been leaders at this ECOWAS and AU nesa anyama no ntino yes this time around President Akufo-Addo wo ye president no ono na wo yemampenyi oba ECOWAS oba Nigeria ne Ghana ne Mali ne Cote d'Ivoire ne other West African countries na Akufo-Addo na sisiano we ye leader ECOWAS leader now one on mine ewo ECOWAS mu me din kan chem we from Mali this modern day wo mo aye coup d'etat na ye nim coup d'etat e bia na obi nti ase coup d'etat ye se yato abama obi na sojafo hu ne se dabi ye je tumi efini nkrofo ne nsem na sojafo de omo pe akwakoji tumi no ene ne efini coup d'etat no bi na JJ Rawlings mo Ghana we have a long history of coup d'etat so what you say now 2018 ena Malifo wo mo to abama wo mo president bia ye frɛ no Ibrahim Keita na Ibrahim Keita ya na ye twa ne din short FN IBK na Malifo etrese Ibrahim Keita betena so no abro nkwa na wo bo mo corruption here and there see ye disika here and there even asojafo no esusu say wo mo sike bi because asojafo no won say okomali ho na ya na saa group na wo mo kunkum grofo saa terrorist groups no ebi wo ho nti ya na asojafo ne terrorist groups no ena ekon it asojafo no susu say wo mo de omo nkwa eto ho mo man no wo mo ne terrorist groups no ekon now so Mali president ne betena so sika e wo se wo de ma sojafo no ya na opeso de be ma omo nti ma sojafo ne kra omo bufu no ema oman ne so nyama na ekoso no enye omo de omo bufu no nti August na nsenya I think said the date is 18th of August to say den ena trese asojafo no ekokọ G2mi eka se dabi Mali president no masa senia oman na woso obu no wo mbu ne ye nti omu tu na efiade so na afi behwe Mali kuro ni mu nkrofo ni age trese omo ti oman ni mu omu bo se ye damo ase asojafo mo agi tumi efi nipa ko we nsem otena so na o ma ye bre ekom de ye damo ase sojafo ne nso anka se ni age trese wo mo ma president ni resign ye president ya to abama no trese nkrofo kra aka se abato na ye to man no eye kululu nsem a omanfo ne nso eka no se ono ankasa de nepe na baba betena so meanwhile election ya to abama no nti asemo ya asem bia the international community UN AU and ECOWAS at large were condemning it because in actual fact no ye to abama president no nembre nso ye na mo asojafo mo aba gitumi efini nsem ye coup d'etat and nembre mu nso no obi beka say na coup d'etat eguso a ekoso ana yes Mali na ekoso Mali no inti no nkrofo outside world kasetia but the people of Mali themselves are happy about it. It's a sojafo beji tumi na sojafo trese tumi na wo mu age no enya se wo mu sojafo no na etena so de on beye ne se wo mu bepe wo bia wo mu susu so obetumi abuman no na wo mu di tumi na eden ahye ne nsa just like what JJ Rawlings did. Nti no ne ade a sojafo ne kan but up to now sojafo no entumi nya wo bia mfa tumi ne nhye ne nsa nti bi mu susu se da bia sojafo ne pese wo mu ankasa buman no angrofo so kasetia nti na nsenya president Akufo-Addo beda na president the leader of ECOWAS no and I will hold the meeting e Ghana has a Peduase Lodge into ECOWAS leaders near ebai into Mali so also omo leader ba but Mali leader no onu na etu na fi ades into afei soldiers for no and I say ete ho and etu nsa frɛ soldiers for no say soldiers for nembra ne yenkasa because asɛm a ende President Akufo-Addo better na so a ha ne pa eye Mali asɛm no because ono de President Akufo-Addo say onim na onim so ono de mbra no de kasa as far as ya to aba ma obi na de pa ko no eye president nkwan de you have no right to go and take the presidency from that person. The President Akufo-Addo de what can I say wo mo fa to me no back emma eye president no because ono and nkrofo ato aba ma no and it is not President Akufo-Addo who is only saying that Osha the United Nations and so that's the same thing they are saying into ya to nsa frɛ Mali fui na just a Mali fui eba Ghana na I have heard reports I don't know I stand to be corrected but my report say Mali fui ba Ghana kra no meeting na se Mali asoja for no number so mo share asoja atare o se den o mo soja atare na eba meeting na se and I check say dabi maza yen yet ye man mu Ghana mutumi fa mo soja atare no President Akufo-Addo a guy rough. I say that's what we heard. We stand to be corrected. But the ATN no say Charlie, your chair Mali phone say, Mun kwangwa se samu atare no. Dabi, yan so na mo yet ye Ghana has na mo behye soldier for atare dia betina meeting na say mo pese mo train say mo ye Ghana bibi dabi. Mun kwa dress it say mun she coat bi na bibi na mo mbra ne enka nsem no. Na mo fa power. Emma nipa kro na owini ye no. You see, asoja Mali asoja fu ye twa yo mo se wo mo kwose mo atare aba osadin ye be hwan ne se wo mo akotena wo mo play mo back wo mo go back to Mali just say wo mo chia for President Akufo-Addo that's what we are hearing and that report I'm here on one of the local stations no so wo mo chia for President Akufo-Addo so wo mo call back to Mali just asem na wo ka no mo be so mbetie President Akufo-Addo sanso ba bonte be ka se Mali asem ne ya asem bi ehia ne pa was say wamudi to me no emma the president back inti no asem de ni enim say eno ano no nkrofo no meeting no wo mo ba ase no mani agi nti wo mo kọ ye be ha ne say afa pictures ababon say nkrofo ikra no say wo mo kọ Rollins fie na bo hwe se ne no mo ne Rollins egina ho etwa picture wo mo hu ne say yes ye hu ye share ye senior and in Africa if you want to talk about coup d'etat like obia to me ne nyamane coup d'etat onim say untumi yi Rollins in film. A lot of people hate Rollins but a lot of people also like him or love him for what he did. Say wo hu say Ghana send ya enkoye na oji to me ne de ma obi just say sansensem ni nyina no ati ase nti no Rollins asem de ye kan wa ha ebi mo be kasetia no because maybe based on some actions via a soldier for year no they did it in his name. Into some people obviously they will hate him and some people obviously also love him because they feel said they were here no or ya there ati ase into no no into Mali for is so mo be share Rollins into na ma conversations be bre aba just say asem a ba fa sa ehia na wo mo ko share Rollins no dosun because ebi mo can say wow share wo mo ko share Rollins no wo mo bo President Akufo-Addo abaso say embra President Akufo-Addo One ECOWAS for no mutumi any omo ankasa no will use Rollins because in Grofunu they see Rollins as a hero. They see him as a mentor. Into will use Rollins now what the amount Grofunu no wakanya as a to mutim. That's what some group of people are saying. Into bimo ka say in Grofunu share wo moko share Rollins no President Akufo-Addo na mo wo moko share Rollins. We don't have any proof to that but that's what some people are saying. Rollins so omoko no na Rollins tu omufo. Say and sisi ade to me e wo monsa mo make sure say mo beye bibia ye na mo de to me no add my back to obi a wo betumi ebu man no e futu Rollins dem wo mo no nti ano na ma ebi mo ka say oh President Akufo-Addo is using Rollins wisely. That's what some people are saying. Ebi mo so ka say ngrofo no yes wo mo ye bonefo nti o mu hu Rollins na wo no so ye bonefo nti no o mo ni age mo akọ tre say ensem ne de buburuja e na ngrofo ka because social media omo de asem ne be di Rollins atem di na tem omo de be kasa fa ne ho e de kasa fa ne ho tre say wa wonim Ghana de asem ba asa nti no ensem a etwegu ne no so that Mali assembly initially na kamen kamba a sense say President Akufo-Addo edin ebefe mu Rawlings so din befe mu ene nkrofo ne ba Ghana na de omo ye ne nyama no eno na trese ama assembly ni na no eba nti no montra mo adwo comment box ni mu medase